Hey guys, Prof here. Told you I would have a little surprise for you. These got delayed due to COVID and due to Halo Infinite being released, but I got my Halo Nerf gun. And yes, I was using it at my job, because that's what you do when you have a Halo Nerf gun.
Wait, which job?
Which one do you think? Oh, no.
Were you assaulted me the one day? And
Yes.
Testing it out? Okay.
Yeah. So there you go. It is
Oh god. The cat is freaking out.
so battery operated. If you want to take this out, you gotta push the button and pull it out, and you can do it one-handed. Here, you can video
Alright,
operate.
I guess I'll make sure I'm not blocking
So-
this new.
It should just go like this, and you can pull it out.
Let's see that
What?
again. Let's see that again on camera.
You can get
Orange
one-handed.
button. Push it
Push
there.
button. Yeah. But it looks pretty good. You know, yeah.
I'm just
And,
getting a bunch of-
they also give you, there's a thing, because this is like the stock, it's not actually a sight. They do have a raise thing to raise it up, so if you have one of your Nerf sights,
Mhm.
yeah, you can add the scope to it. But I mean it
Out of ammo.
you gotta get a bigger mag for
We're
it.
gonna need a bigger clip.
Yep. But I think they did a dang good job. And they apparently went with that colorway so that it doesn't look like a real gun that you're gonna get.
Yeah. So the
Cops, yeah. Because this is not the stock colorway, but this is an official colorway. In here, something that you're not going to see, because I don't want to give you my code, is you get a skin for this in the game. I'm so hyped. So, Halo Infinite.
Which is this a DMR? Or is this a
No, it's the AR.
Yeah.
This is not the
stock
original.
one that's like the 40 round.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
The standard assault.
Yep.
rifle.
And if you guys are wondering what I'm going to do with this, because I really don't intend to use it necessarily. Like, it's fun to use. And, like, this is actually rubberized, and they did a dang good job. Like, it's usable. If you wanted to convert it to, like, a usable Nerf gun, you could. I probably wouldn't use the specialty darts that come with it or the clip, because those are unique to it. I would probably stick a standard clip. There's one that went in the closet.
Gone, man.
But, yeah. So I was pretty darn hyped about this. I think it so I'm going to hang it on probably in my office when you come right in the door, like above the light switch, like right there.
There.
Yep.
Somebody's attacking.
I got the Mauler on order as well. So I guess you guys gonna have to stop back for that. I'm pretty hyped. They had to rename it to the Mangler, I think, because maul. You can't market something as mauling.
Yeah.
That's not good. Yeah. So but yeah, there's the bullets that I already lost two of. You just gotta hold this guy down, spin up that motor, and shoot away.
Freak out your cat.
So I might pick up a bigger clip or something just to have fun with it. But otherwise, it's basically going to go on the wall, because this thing's freaking awesome. At least I think it is. And then the backside isn't as, like, it doesn't have as many, like, all the labeling isn't there and stuff.
You can't, like, actuate that, you know?
Yeah. It does have a thing to clear it, because it is a bullpup, and you can't look into the action of a bullpup without some way to...
Yeah, so you pop off the back.
Yeah. Like, as Forgotten Weapons always complains about, like, you can't see if a bullpup's actually clear without, like, taking the mag out and looking up the thing that took his hole. So, well, hopefully you enjoyed this. Come back once the Mauler is out, and I'll show you that. And once the other, like, I think the stock pistol and a couple other... Oh, I think they announced the rocket launcher. I don't know how that's going to work.
Giant Nerf dart.
Yeah, I don't know. But I'm planning to pick up all of them, and I'm just gonna have them all on my wall to the ceiling. I think it'll look awesome. That's like great. Yeah, I think this is one of the best crossovers I think I've ever seen. So, well, guys, we'll see you in the next one, and see you then.